Okay, so this is big. There's a new way to run your marketing, and it's way easier than what most people are doing. I'm talking about setting things up one time, and then it just works over and over while you sleep. No more sending emails by hand, no more forgetting to text back leads. The whole thing runs on autopilot, and today I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Hey there. So if you haven't already noticed, I'm Nick Ponte's AI avatar. While the real Nick is busy helping businesses with Mina Marketing, Hawaii's fastest growing marketing agency, I'm here dropping the latest AI hacks, tools, and money-making strategies. The real Nick reads every single comment on these videos, so make sure you comment below. And listen, if you're serious about landing some AI subscription-based customers, grab my 4-part AI fast-track training that I am currently offering for free. The link's in the description. All right, now let's get into it. So here's the thing. Most local businesses are losing money every single day, and they don't even know it. A lead comes in, they forget to follow up, or they follow up too late, and that lead goes to a competitor. It happens all the time. Dentists, plumbers, gyms, restaurants, they're all dealing with the same problem. Too many leads slipping through the cracks, and not enough time to chase them all down. Now, here's what most people do wrong. They try to do everything manually. They sit there sending emails one by one. They text people back when they remember, and then they wonder why their business isn't growing. It's exhausting. And honestly, it doesn't scale. But what if you could set up a system that does all of this for you? That's where high-level workflows come in. And if you haven't heard of Highlevel before, it's basically an all-in-one marketing platform. CRM, email, SMS, funnels, calendars, everything in one place. But the real magic is in the workflows, because that's where the automation happens. And here's the cool part. They just dropped a huge update in October 2025. It's called the Advanced Workflow Builder, and it changes everything. You can now build these crazy, complex automations using drag and drop. No coding, no tech skills needed. You just connect the dots visually, triggers, actions, logic branches, all of it. And it handles email, SMS, voicemail drops, even phone calls, all in one flow. Now, let me tell you why this matters to me personally. I used to work full-time as a mechanic, hands covered in grease every day, trading my time for money. And don't get me wrong, it was honest work, but I knew there had to be a better way. When I discovered tools like this, everything changed. I was able to transition to making money full-time online, and now I help other people do the same thing. So when I tell you automation is powerful, I'm not just saying that. I've lived it. All right, so let me break this down simple. Imagine someone fills out a form on a website. Maybe they want a quote from a roofing company. The second they hit submit, the workflow kicks in. They get a text right away, something like, "Hey, thanks for reaching out. We got your info and we'll be in touch soon." Then 5 minutes later, an email hits their inbox with more details. Then maybe the next day, another text checking in, all automatic. No one had to lift a finger. And here's where it gets really cool. You can add logic branches, so if someone replies to that first text, the workflow changes. It goes down a different path. Maybe it books them straight into a calendar, but if they don't reply, it keeps nudging them, sends another message a few days later, keeps them warm until they're ready. This is how you stop losing leads. You stay in front of them without being annoying. Now let's talk about the AI features, because this is where things get crazy. High-level workflows now have AI baked right in. We're talking automatic reply drafting based on what the contact does. Artificial intelligence-driven lead scoring, so you know who's hot and who's not. And even voice artificial intelligence that can set appointments or qualify leads on the phone. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now. The system can also optimize your campaigns in real time. It looks at when people open emails, when they click, when they respond, and it adjusts automatically. Better send times, better subject lines, better results, without you having to guess anymore. Let's talk SMS for a second, because texting is still one of the most powerful ways to reach people. Open rates on text messages are insane compared to email, and Highlevel connects directly to Twilio for SMS, so you can send instant texts, scheduled texts, bulk texts, all tracked right in the contact timeline. Here's a simple example. Someone books an appointment. The workflow sends them a confirmation text right away, then a reminder the day before, then another reminder an hour before. No shows drop like crazy when you do this, and the business owner never has to remember to send anything. It just happens. If you're finding this valuable, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. The real Nick Ponte reads every single comment on these videos, so drop your questions below. And hey, if you're serious about taking your business to the next level, grab my 4-part AI fast-track training that I am currently offering for free. It also includes an exclusive link to try out the software Highlevel that I use in my business for 30 days free. The link's in the description. Now here's where most people mess up. They only use one channel, just email, or just SMS. But the real power is combining everything together. Highlevel lets you build workflows that use email, SMS, voicemail drops, and even Facebook Messenger all in one sequence. Think about that for a second. A lead comes in and they get hit from multiple angles, not in a spammy way, but in a way that keeps you top of mind no matter where they hang out. So maybe they get a text first, then an email with more info, then a voicemail drop that sounds personal, then a messenger message a few days later. You're everywhere. And when they're finally ready to buy, guess who they think of? You, not your competitor who sent one email and gave up. Okay, let me be real with you for a second. Most people set up automations and then forget about them. They build one workflow and think they're done. But here's the truth. Your first version is never your best version. You got to watch the data, see what's working, see what's not, and then tweak it. Highlevel just updated their dashboard to show all your campaign stats in one place. Email opens, click rates, SMS replies, everything, so you can actually see what's happening. And here's a little tip. Look at where people drop off. If everyone opens the first email but no one clicks, your copy needs work. If people stop responding after the third text, maybe you're sending too many. The data tells you everything. You just got to pay attention. Now let me share something that might blow your mind. You don't just have to use this for your own business. You can sell this as a service. Think about it. Every local business out there needs help with follow-up. They need help with marketing automation, but they don't have time to learn all this stuff. That's where you come in. Here's another thing that makes this easier. You don't have to start from scratch. Highlevel has pre-built templates and automation blueprints. As of October 2025, these are available on all plans, so you can grab a proven workflow and customize it for your client. Takes way less time than building everything yourself. Work smarter, not harder, right? And if you're serving a specific niche, you can build your own templates. Make one killer workflow for dentists, then use it for every dentist client you land. Copy, paste, customize a few details, done. That's how you scale an agency without burning out. One more thing I want to mention. If you're running an agency or you have a team, Highlevel now has better role-based access controls. That means you can let your team members work on campaigns without giving them access to everything. Keep things secure, keep things organized. Everyone stays in their lane and the work gets done. This is huge if you're growing because you can't do everything yourself forever. At some point you need help. And having the right permissions set up means you can delegate without worrying about someone accidentally breaking something important. Look, I'm not going to sit here and promise you'll make $1 million overnight. That's not how this works. Building a business takes effort. Learning these tools takes time. But here's what I will say. The opportunity is real. Local businesses need this help desperately, and the tools have never been easier to use than they are right now. So here's my challenge to you. Pick one local business, could be a friend, a family member, someone you know, and offer to set up a simple follow-up workflow for them. Just emails and texts for new leads. Nothing fancy. See what happens. Watch the results. Learn from it. That's how you get started, one client at a time. And if you want to go deeper, I've got something for you. My free 4-part AI fast-track training breaks all of this down step by step. How to get clients, how to deliver results, how to build a real business around this stuff. Plus, you get access to a free 30-day trial of Highlevel. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments. All right, that's going to wrap it up for today. I hope this gave you some ideas on how to automate email and SMS marketing for local businesses. The tools are out there. The opportunity is out there. It's just a matter of taking that first step. If you got value from this video, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below letting me know what kind of business you want to help with automation. The Real Nick reads every single comment and he might even reply to yours. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.